Hello and welcome to Birmingham NEC, where I'm here with Darren at ZF at the opening of the show. Darren, you're right here at the start, the entrance, lots of people coming through. How was it?
It's been a busy morning already, to be fair. We usually hover around the entrance of these to try and capture people as they walk in. Quite interesting models on our stand with our high voltage rig. So yeah, we're looking forward to the day.
It's looking to be an exciting day. ZF here right at the entrance. We've got our EV and hybrid trainer on display here. And Darren, what are the technical aspects you're going to be discussing today?
So we do spend time with people on the stand around the high voltage rig. It's a real focus for us at ZF, electrifying of vehicles. We have smaller products, so the TRW sacks, Lemforda range we have on offer, and a good discussion today around ProTech.
I'm really interested with the hybrid learning model that you have available to the technicians. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yeah, of course. So what we have come across basically is the internal workings of a car we actually developed the transmission for. It's the 8P75 on a BMW 330e.
That's highly specific. Yes. So is this platform used for many other vehicles?
It's predominantly all of Generation 1 and 2 BMW's electrified vehicles.
Would you imagine somebody new to the electrification of our industry, would this be a typical example of what they could see?
Yes, I mean, we're moving forward now into future of Generation 3 and now into 4 of this transmission, where we start to lose some of the smaller components into the underside of the transmission. We're working with lots of major motor manufacturers about that becoming series production end of 2022.
Wow. I mean, hybrid technology has been around since the late 90s. So here we are in 2022, and there's now suddenly the more demand from the motorist. Do you think this is filtering through to the aftermarket?
Oh, 100%. I mean, it's a usual age of vehicles we've always seen historically in the aftermarket. 3 or 4 year old vehicle is dealer retained. Then really with ZF's range of product, we aim for the 4 to 9 year market. We're seeing tons and tons of these more and more every week now, filtering through into that age range where our customers, our members seek us for training, for advice and for support.
It's said to be a very reliable technology. Are there any common faults that somebody should look out for when they're working within the industry?
I don't think common faults, not that we've really raised yet. I do think, though, general consensus, and it's the same message I'm sure you'll hear around the room, is train early. There are other products we have on the stand. Maybe we don't do the brake training. We're allowed to make some mistakes with those products. With this, I'd say train early. Even if you're not seeing them come into the workshop, you are then prepared for day one when the first one arrives.
Thank you, Darren. This is really good advice. And the more collaborative approach to training is definitely an emerging trend that we're seeing within the industry. And events like this today really help get with our CPD and how we develop our careers and create that career agility.
Yeah, very much so.
Thank you, Darren.